back to my channel. I am here with another makeup look. This look is very fall and cute and simple. I am going in with my Slaycation Vibes palette, and I'm just using that gold with a flat eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going to go in with a small precision brush just to blend in the next color, which is like a burgundy brown red. And to give it more depth, I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow. Whenever you add a shade, you always want to go back with the previous shade and just blend them together to make sure you have a flawless blend. Next, I'm going in with my Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner brush. It gives a good application. It's very thin. It's easy to do eyeliner on myself and my clients. So next I'm going to use my Duo Eyelash Glue. I am just going to do a thin line on top of my black eyeliner. I'm going to use my 24 karat gold glitter, which is from Kiss and Toe Cosmetics. I'm going to use that angled small brush, which is a Wet n Wild angled brush, and just apply it to the glue. So this day I decided to mix two of my favorite foundations, Lancome 500 and the Ilmakiage 230, and together, as you can see, they just look so perfect. The placements of my concealers is so funny. Right now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in C13. It's a little closer to my shade, so I just want to put it where the lighter concealer is going to meet, just so it can blend better, especially when it gets closer to the darker contour. So the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in C12 is what's my real highlight, where I want things to be highlighted, which would be my nose, right underneath the eye, and a little bit above the eyebrow. And as you know, my Juvias Place Sokoto foundation stick is my favorite to contour with. So I just put that in the contoured areas just to put it right underneath my cheeks, around my forehead. And I am using a beauty blender, which is damp, to blend out the concealers. After everything is blended, I like to go back in with the brush I used to apply my foundation, and I run it over every part that the contour meets with the highlight. Now I'm going in with the Fit Me 360. This is just to mattify my face, so I'm putting it everywhere except for the very highlighted piece, which is right underneath the eye. I'm going to use the Maybeline Fit Me in 332 with this powder puff, and I'm just putting that in the placements. Next, I'm using my Bobbi Brown in the Deep 4. I love that to set my contour. And I'm using an angled brush, which will help shape the cheeks. And then I'm going in with the small Real Technique brush, and I'm just going to snatch my nose. I also did put it underneath my eyes, just so you know, give it a little definition. Then using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in black to get underneath my waterline. I did put some lash glue and the glitter right in the corner of my eye, just to give this look a little more bedazzled. So I went in with my Kiss and Toe Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Plum, and then I used the Crayon Case Graveyard lipstick, which I love. I've used in many other tutorials. I'm just using a Wet n Wild brush to apply it. The blush I decided to use this time was from the Maybeline Fit Me blush. So that is honestly the rest of the look. Here are a few pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And just let me know, like, any other looks you guys are looking for. Alright, y'all have a blessed day. I'll see you next week with Teaching Tuesdays with Kiki.